Hi y'all, welcome back to another freaking video. It's Vlogmas day 1. I know y'all think my wig look kind of good, so y'all finna watch me make my wig look kind of good. Hey y'all, it's Vlogmas day 1. So as y'all can see, I'm in the middle of installing my wig. As you can see, the lace is very much left outside on the porch on the couch. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. So that being said, I'm trying to reinstall my wig and style it. I already know the style that I'm gonna do. What we don't know, y'all, is how to reblend my lace. Like, I've done it before, but no, water's dripping on me. Hold on. Y'all, today is Vlogmas day 1. At first, I wasn't gonna do a Vlogmas, but people are recommending me to do a Vlogmas, so why not, y'all? Why not? I'm trying to do, I just need the part in the middle, and I need to fix my lace. But y'all, I really don't know how to fix my lace. I'm gonna try to melt it. I'm gonna try to melt it, y'all. And then we're gonna put some makeup. And then we're gonna try to style it. Like, I just fixed my part. Cool. I'm gonna try to melt this. Like, hold on. I think I did good. This little ashy, I'm gonna fix that. But, oh, why the camera like that? Yeah, I think I did kind of good. Now, it's a little rough, y'all, but I think I did okay. Okay, I'm gonna try and style it. Well, we're about to try and style it. So, y'all, the style I want to do, I'm gonna put it on a screen. So I'm gonna put it right here. This is what we're gonna attempt to do. And do I think it's possible? Probably not though, but yo, we gotta have faith in these sort of like situations. So I'm pretty sure. I don't think I want to do that, y'all. I think I'm lying. I think I want to do some edges, and we're gonna leave it at that. Right? That's what I really think. As lame as that sound, y'all, sometimes, you know, you gotta be lame. And I think I will be a-okay with being lame today. I'm gonna put all of this right here toward the edge. Or at least this section right here, I'm positive. This right here. Right here. You're really not supposed to use edge control on the wig, y'all. But I'll be doing it. But right now I'm not. I'm gonna use this little gel right here to try to find my edges. I be trying to have my what are these called? I be trying to have my wigs look natural, like my edges, but y'all, I really don't like natural edges. Like, I like mine dramatic, just like me. I need to go get some hair scissors. I'll be right back. So I got these. Oh, y'all, I got hair scissors in my purse from college. I just traveled and looked everywhere for no reason when I got these college scissors in my purse at all times. I think I like that, so I'm finna cut it. Everybody say you're supposed to cut at an angle, but I'm not everybody. I'll cut it how I like it. So. as scary as I am. That's just how I do it. I just cut it. Ah! I think that style that I said I was gonna do, I think I'm gonna just get it done for my birthday. I already started like preparing for my birthday. I just bought my carts today. Say it's gonna get here on December 17th. It's at December 11th through the 17th. I like the swoop, but the swoop ain't liking me. The top is not staying up there. Never mind, it's supposed to soon. I think I fixed it. Is doing a wig install for my Vlogmas Day 1 lame to y'all? Because, like, I was gonna do decorating, but I think I don't want to decorate till, I don't know, till I feel like it. I don't feel like decorating right now, y'all. But that's okay. At least I'm honest, okay? I could be a liar. But no, I'm telling you all the real because I really don't feel like it. Unless I just so happen to get some right now. But I don't think I should do that right now. So. Swoop is not like swooping how I want it to. Like, I know y'all keep watching me redo it, but I thought it was gonna act right for me. And it clearly don't want to act right, so. You can see the lace, but when I put this band on, it's gonna disappear. Like, it's gonna look like this. What do we think? Find it to the other side.
Stopped on me just to see if we trust me to save our revenge. But now I get along better with your friends. And it's wrong, I know. But again, trust me to save our revenge. I get along better with your friends. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him. You a turtle little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that chat. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, y'all. So this is what we got right now. What I'm gonna do now is melt the lace because it's good, but it could be better. So I'm gonna melt my lace and I'm gonna come back. Okay, y'all. So you sprayed the lace and we've gotten it to its best abilities that we can get it to. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna tie the silk scarf on the lace because they say it makes it, melts. So I'm gonna tie it extra tight after yeah. Now I'm about to show y'all the mess that I'm gonna clean up. That blow dryer. This is all the hair I cut. Not too much, so it's a lot to clean up though. So I'm gonna clean and come back. Okay, y'all. I feel like it's been long enough with me in this scarf on, so we're gonna rip it off and see what it looks like. Y'all, this is the best I can do. It's okay. Yeah. So again, let me show you my Vlogmas day 1 fit. Is my phone set up? Yeah. Vlogmas day 1 outfit, just a little doggy pants, bodysuit. I think I have it on backwards, y'all. Like, I can't tell if I do because I think this is supposed to be in the front. But Vlogmas day 1. Vlogmas day 1.